Hello everyone, welcome to Child Montessori's International School, Abakaliki. In today's class, we are going to show you how to get a 3-year-old child to read. Having learned letter sounds, it's easier to get the child to read faster. So we are going to start with 2 letter sounds. So say letter A. We are going to use a method called dotting method. So you put a dot under here. So you see this letter A. Letter A. Letter A makes a sound like ah. Like when someone pinches you, make this ah. You see, when you feel hot, you say ah. When someone taps you and you feel the pain, you say ah. So that sound is sound of letter A. So you say letter A makes ah sound. You open your mouth wide, open it wide and say ah, ah. Open it up, ah. Do you see that? So that is letter A sound. So take another alphabet. Letter M, you place a dot. Okay, letter M makes sound, sound like that's yummy. When you eat something great, something that tastes great, you say my mommy food is so yummy. You see, that's sound. Letter M makes what? Sound. So let's connect the dots together and see the word it gives us. You say ah, ah, say you see, our dots are going out. Let's make it prominent. So you pick it up. You see ah. So let's take it faster this time. Again. Faster. Call it faster. You see? So it gives sound. Good job. Let's take another 2-letter word. A. If known the sound of letter A, which says ah, you place the dot. So this is letter N. Letter N makes like sound. So place the dots. When you connect the dots together, it gives ah, You call it faster. Take it faster. Good job. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time. Follow our channel, follow our page to learn more of this. You can also join our Facebook channel, subscribe to get more of our videos. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.